Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today I want to discuss two stocks that I have been trading a lot over this past month, and I have made a lot of money, consistent income through options trading, and these two stocks are my go-to stocks right now, and I want to discuss the strategies, the stocks, and how I'm making money. So if you are interested guys, stick around, and with that let's start. Hello guys, welcome to AD Finance, and without any further ado, let's jump into the stock one, right? And let me share my screen so I can show you what those stocks are. So let's go. Okay, the first one is Reddit. Okay, and I own this stock about it's been a couple of months, and as you can see, I've been trading a lot on this stock. If you wanna check these in detail, you can slow down and you can just check what I'm trading. Most of these are options trading. So let me start from a couple of examples, right? And before even I go there, the Reddit stock, I would say there have been some news about that they are like the AI. All these AI that is coming in now, right? That they are kind of restricting their content to not use the Reddit posts and everything, but those are kind of now getting cleared up, and this is gonna be the single most platform I think where you will still find the user generated content. And because there's a lot of value with all these AI coming in, there's a lot of value in actual user generated content, right? And that's gonna be, and Reddit is gonna be a big player in that. So that in itself makes Reddit a unique in its position. There is no other company like Reddit where there's such a huge user marketplace, and Reddit is gonna use that base to go into advertising and everything, right? So that's gonna be a huge jump in their revenue. If you look at even today, right, their revenue is overall, if you look at their results, let me just show the results that they have been posting, right? They have been really good in terms of their results, and I would say in the next one they're gonna be beating their top, bottom line, everything. Right? So look at their results right here. So this is how they have been performing, right? So they had been beating their expectations in all throughout these quarters, and I'm sure there's gonna be a huge beat in the next one as well. So the way I'm using it, I just wanna go back to my history, right? And I wanna show you guys how I have been actually making money on this. There's a lot of plays that I did on this, but most of them are my favorite ones, which are the option trades, right? So like this one, which I opened I think last week, and I collected 400 premium, right? Because I own 100 shares of stock, I did a covered call on this. I don't mind losing it at 250 because that's gonna give me the capital gain and also the stock premium that I'm receiving, right? So overall, it's gonna be a more than $1,000 profit for me here. But even then, I have been this one, right? So this again, I did a covered call, and then I closed it for $42, right? So I collected 205 here, and then I closed it here. So I made about $150, right? Going back again here, I sold this one. That's the covered call. I closed it again because there's a little bit volatility here. So I opened this one, I closed. Again, I made more than $150 here, right? So again, this one, if you see, I opened this one for 270, I closed it for 50. So that's $220 here, right? So there's a lot of these like these covered call, right? So I opened this one, and then I closed again for 85. So that's again 150. So overall, if you look at here, right, if you keep, and then I was keep buying it because in between there was a dip in the market. So I used those dips to average out my Reddit position, because so that kind of gave me room to have more aggressive premium on the covered call, right? So it's a key when you see if you believe in a stock, and if there is a dip in that stock, definitely use the time to average down overall your position, because that's gonna give you more leverage when you try to do covered call, right? Because that's a key to have not go too far from your the current market price, right? Because if there is a downturn and if your stock average price is too high, you're not gonna get any premium. So, and that makes it really difficult to just own the stock and not make money. The whole idea that we wanna do with options trading is generating consistent income. So to make that a viable option, you need to have your average cost really tight so you can sell covered calls. So yeah, this is my first pick, and I would say definitely look at Reddit stock. They have been in a uptrend with more than 40% overall up from their down, and I see a lot of room still to grow in this stock. So definitely use this one. A lot of good premium because it's a little bit on the volatile side. So if you are not comfortable owning it, then do your due diligence. But for me, it has been working very good. I've been making a lot of money in this stock. So definitely there's a little bit of volatility. So definitely do your risk management on your portfolio and see if it makes a spot in your portfolio. So that was the number one. That's the Reddit. Now moving on to the second one, right? And that is not a surprise. That's a hood. It's a Robinhood Markets. And this one also I've been doing a lot of trading in this one. And if I go back here, right, on my history here, let's again same thing. Hood, I believe a lot in their overall whatever they are opening right now. They are now into the core banking business as well. I see a lot of potential, even though they are up very high in this last year. I still see a lot of room still to grow, and of option trading in this one using these typical strategies, right? Like covered call, cash put is a very good way to make money as they grow. Okay, so it's a very good stock. Do definitely check out. If you don't own this, I would highly recommend that you own this stock. Again, little bit on the higher risk and higher reward kind of category. So if it does not suit your portfolio, then I would say definitely do your research. But if you can take a little bit of volatility in your portfolio, hood is a good one to own in your portfolio. So in terms of the trade history, right? If I want to just show few, right, like this one. So same thing. I mostly keep it very simple. I do get assigned, I do get called away, but I keep to the basics, which are the two strategies: covered call and cash secured put. Again, same thing in a lot of my histories. It's bit slow. So, but again, it's gonna be the same my strategies that I was doing in Reddit. I somehow it's been bit slow right now. Markets are closed, so maybe that's why. But anyway, this is those are the two strategies that I would say are making me good money. Those are the cash secured put and covered call, right? Just rinse and repeat. And this is the wheel strategy that I talk a lot about in my channel. Overall, if you are a beginner, definitely check out my channel, subscribe to my channel, look for the videos around wheel strategies. You will get to know how to execute it properly, and it's gonna change your life. This is making a very good time in stock market, but you need to be careful, and this is a very good safe strategies to grow your portfolio consistently. If you have any questions around this, definitely check out all the other videos in my channel. You will get a lot of information. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I just wanted to touch base on these two stocks which I am owning, and I'm making a lot of consistent income using this. So I hope you can take advantage of that. And also I just want to quickly mention that I have if you want to track your trades, use the trading journal that I will put a link down in the description. That's gonna help you track your all these option strategies, right? I have purpose built that for options trading, and I'm sure that's gonna benefit you, because unless you track your trades, you won't know where you are making mistakes, right? So definitely use that trading journal platform to track your trades. With that, I'm closing this one. I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing guys. Bye.